Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix Minecraft authentication issue, which is you need to authenticate to Microsoft services. So let me show you how to fix it. Method 1, sign out and signing from Microsoft Store. For that, just click on Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, click on Microsoft Store, and here click on profile icon, then click on sign out. Okay, now just close the Microsoft Store. Now open the Microsoft Store again, click on profile icon and click on sign in. After signing, just check whether the issue resolved or not. Method 2, sync date and time. For that, just search for date and time, click on date and time settings. Here click on sync. Now this will sync the date and time as per the current date and time. Okay, after that just check whether the issue resolved or not. Method 3, install different Minecraft launcher. For that, just open your web browser. Go to this web link. You can find this link on video description. And here just scroll down and click on this download Windows Legacy launcher. Not this one. Now the Minecraft installer is downloaded. You can see it. For installing, just click on it and here just click next and install it on your system. Okay, after that just check whether the issue resolved or not. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.